With rising global infrastructure driving $3.4 trillion in new road construction projects, sustainability in asphalt paving is of increasing importance. 107 countries have pledged to achieve net zero emissions, and reducing the environmental impact of asphalt has become a critical part of these plans. Asphalt production is primarily reliant on bitumen, a byproduct of oil refining, which is a process that can contribute significantly to carbon emissions. However, existing asphalt is 100% recyclable. As old roadways are removed, the material is processed into reclaimed asphalt pavement, RAP, which can be reused in new paving projects. In the U.S., 95% of RAP is recycled, and similar trends are emerging across Europe. Using RAP reduces the need for virgin materials, helping to lower emissions. However, the challenge is that aging bitumen RAP loses its effectiveness over time. That's where asphalt rejuvenators like ReLIXER come in. This bio-oil asphalt recycling agent restores the functional qualities of aged bitumen, enabling the use of more RAP without sacrificing performance. Sustainability doesn't stop with RAP. Warm mix asphalt is another option. Produced and compacted at lower temperatures, warm mix asphalt can reduce both energy use and emissions. Warm mix additives like PHALANX also play a crucial role in this process, allowing for temperature reductions without compromising the strength and durability of the roadway surface. Achieving sustainability in asphalt involves a multifaceted approach. Departments of transportation and producers can look to reduce emissions along the life cycle of a roadway by increasing RAP use and implementing warm mix asphalt using innovative additives. StreetPath's commitment to sustainability looks forward to a future of paving that is both eco-friendly and high-performing. To learn more about sustainable asphalt solutions, visit www.streetpath.com.